In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make boxes bigger in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets file. Once it's on screen, remember that columns are labeled with letters across the top and rows are numbered along the left. Any change you make to a column affects every cell in that column. And the same goes for rows. The quickest way to resize is by dragging. Move your cursor to the line between two column letters at the top, or between two row numbers on the side. When your cursor turns into a double-sided arrow, click and drag. Pull to the right to widen a column or to the left to narrow it. Pull down to increase row height or up to decrease it. Release when it looks right. This is ideal when you just want a fast visual adjustment and don't need an exact measurement if you want precision. Use the resize menu. Right? Click the column letter or row number you want to change. Then choose resize column or resize row. In the box that appears, type a specific pixel value. This is great when you want consistent sizing across your sheet, say, making several columns exactly 150 pixels wide for a clean uniform layout. Click OK to apply. Here is also a helpful automatic option called Fit to Data. In that same resize menu, select Fit to Data. And Google Sheets will adjust the column width or row height to fit the longest or tallest content in that selection. Use this when text is getting cut off or numbers spill over into the next cell. And you want the box to match the content neatly without guessing a size. To resize multiple cells at once, start by selecting more than one column or row. Click and drag across multiple column letters to select them, or across multiple row numbers. You can hold Shift to select a continuous range. With several selected, you can drag any shared boundary to resize them together. Or right-click one of the selected headers and choose the resize option to set a single pixel value that applies to all. This saves time and keeps your layout consistent across large sections of your sheet. That's it. Thanks for watching.